Isang magandang umaga po sa lahat ng ating mga kamarino. It's a Saturday morning once again. I'm sure nagkape na naman si Admiral.
Siyempre.
Yun lang naman ang lagi niyang iniinom tuwing umaga.
Siyempre, it's a really wonderful Saturday morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Hindi lang yung araw ang wonderful, pati yung katabi ko.
Yeah, what a
day.
wonderful day. It is really wonderful. Alam nyo, pagka ganyan lagi ang napapakinggan ninyo ha, mula sa inyong mga esposo, sa inyong mga tatay, nanay, na puro positivity, positive ang mangyayari sa inyo dahil
Correct.
whatever you say, that will happen.
Totoo yan, Mare. Puno ng inspirasyon at impormasyon ang magiging episode natin ngayon.
Hindi talaga mawawala sa atin yan, Admiral, dahil ang dedication natin is really for the sake of our seafarers.
Correct, correct.
Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dito sa
The first and the longest running television program para lang po sa inyo, mga kamarino.
All Aboard dito sa...
Yan ang Marino.
This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fun, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Mataas ang papuri sa mga bayaning Pilipinong matagumpay na pinaglaban ang kalayaan at soberanya ng bansa. Kinikilala sila para sa natatanging gampanin sa mga pag-aaklas, revolusyon at pagtatayo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Subalit ang kagitingan ay hindi lamang nananatiling buhay sa mga kwento ng matagumpay na paglaban. Dahil makalipas ang 84 na taon, patuloy pa rin nating ginugunita ang tapang, katapatang loob at pagkilala sa sakripisyo ng 76,000 ng mga Pilipino at Amerikanong mandirigma sa Marcha ng Kamatayan sa Bataan noong 1942. Sa gitna ng pananakop ng mga Hapon noong ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig, isinuko ni Major General Edward P. King ang 64,000 na Pilipino at 12,000 na Amerikano sa hukbo ng mga Hapon na siyang naging hudyat ng Fall of Bataan. Sa pilitang pinalakad ang mga POW or Prisoners of War mula sa Bataang Peninsula patungo sa Camp O'Donnell sa Capas, Tarlac na may layong umabot ng 140 kilometers. Sa marchang ito, pinahirapan ang mga bilanggo kung saan pinagkaitan sila ng tubig, pagkain at paggagamot. At ang iba naman ay binawian ng buhay sa kalupitan ng mga Hapon. Humigit kumulang 54,000 mga POW ang nakarating ng kampo na buhay at doon sila ay nakaranas ng higit pang paghihirap. Sa huling mga yugto ng resistance sa pananakop ng mga Hapon sa Bataan, ipinamalas ng mga mandirigmang Pilipino ang kagitingan sa kanilang sakripisyo at pag-asa para sa malayang Pilipinas na kanilang pinanghawakan mula Mariveles, Bataan hanggang Tarlac. Kilalanin naman natin ang isa sa itinuturing na bayani ng industriya ng maritima sa ating bansa. Sa ating pagbabalik ng Yan ang Marino. This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fun, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Fun and exciting! Summer fun starts here at SM Supermalls. Run, rally, refresh, and show off your summer style with summer runs, pickleball mania, cool treats, and hot weather fits. Only at your most loved SM Malls, your ultimate summer playground. Make every summer day a play day with SM Supermalls.
Delivery! Maria Jose!
Akin yan? Ba't ang laki ng box? Ha? How?
Basta need mo, gagawin ko all. Tulad ng Pag-ibig Fund, multi-purpose loan. Ang loan na pang negosyo, pang tuition, o pang personal needs, and more.
Up to 90% na hulog mo ang pwedeng i-loan.
No processing fee na, fast approval pa. Kaya apply na for MPL.
Via virtual pag-ibig!
Pag-ibig Fund, solid ka band.
The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings. And as the premier maritime academy in the country, be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit dahil AMUSUP cares. This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fun, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Ang bawat tao ay may iba't ibang itinuturing na bayani. Maaring ang kanilang magulang o ang mga taong ipinaglaban ang kalayaan ng ating bayan. Pero iisa ang kinakatawan ng mga bayaning ito. Sila ang mga taong isinakripisyo ang kanilang lakas, boses at kaalaman para sa ikabubuti ng kapwa. Para sa ating mga kamarino at sa industriya ng maritima, isa sa itinuturing na bayani ng mga mandaragat na Pilipino, panoorin natin ang pagsisimula ng AMUSUP dahil sa kagitingang ipinamalas ni Captain Gregorio Oca.
On behalf of the hundreds or thousands of Filipino seafarers who man the world's merchant fleets throughout the oceans and seas,
I believe God answered that prayer when He guided Captain Oca to establish AMUSUP in 1960.
More than 6.5 decades ago, our vision to foster the welfare of our Filipino seafarers has become an unstoppable reality of today. We continue to sail forward, navigating through the tides of change and cruising our way to fulfill every promise anchored on true service. Since then, our mission has heightened and our services have expanded and adapted to the ever-growing maritime industry. Together, as we celebrate a legacy that has been built on the heart and commitment to serve, we remain steadfast amidst the high seas. For 65 years and counting, we are standing stronger than ever. This is the Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. In 1960, the master seafarer, mariner, and visionary, the late Captain Gregorio S. Oca, organized the Associated Marine Officers Union of the Philippines with Roberto Oca, the head of the Philippine Transport and General Workers Organization, as the mother federation. In that same year, Brother Donato Alarcon founded the Associated Seamen's Union of the Philippines. 10 years later, in 1970, with a mutual desire to provide unwavering support to the Filipino seafaring community, AMUP and ASUP decided to join forces and gave birth to the largest seafarers union in the country and the home of every Filipino seafarer, the Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Thus, AMUSUP was born. Since then, our initiatives have fostered into union programs catered to provide welfare to Filipino mariners beyond the shores. Our inclusive quality healthcare services have become achievable and even more accessible through the Seamen's Hospital in Manila. satellite hospitals in Cebu, Davao, Iloilo, and its extension facilities in Bacolod, and Dagupan.
Salamat naman po ako sa Amusup na tugunan lahat. Katuwang ko talaga ang Amusup, ma'am.
Grateful talaga kami. Free services na i-offer sa amin. Malaking tulong talaga sa amin.
Maraming salamat. Malaking tulong talaga sa amin.
Joyful and thankful for Amasop for the privilege and benefits na binigay nyo sa amin sa mga seafarers, sa mga dependents namin.
Free temporary board and lodging for transient members has also been made available with the establishment of Sailors Home and Activity Center in Manila, Cebu, Davao, Iloilo, and Bacolod.
Doon sa accommodation, maganda. Tapos ang sa well-being mo, malinis na paligid, pleasant ang mga staff.
Thankful kami sa Amoso na mayroong program na ganito. Ano pa kaya't kung mag-i-expand pa sila na mga programs.
Meanwhile, a space that our Filipino seafarers and their families could call home is now within reach, made possible by the inauguration of the Seamen's Village in Cavite. The slop chest was also open to provide basic food and non-food needs through a credit-based buying system for seafarers and their families. Our pursuit to provide extended care for our seafarers and their families, as well as secure their future, is never-ending. Enabled by the Provident Fund, Welfare and Mutual Benefit Plan, and the Survivorship Benefit Fund. We also help achieve the sustainability of the seafarers' families by conducting regular life skills trainings and livelihood seminars. With a vision to uphold that Filipinos will always be the seafarer of choice, we help transform the Filipino seafarers to be globally competitive seafarers by equipping them with knowledge and skills through our Seamen's Training Center and Professional Career Development Center. We also believe that it takes a truly world-class maritime academy to provide a steady stream of young global maritime professionals through higher level of education. Thus, the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific was founded. With its state-of-the-art facilities and non-stop modernization, MAAP continues to embody its vision to be the center of excellence for maritime education and training in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. Our advocacies go above and beyond. We traverse even the most difficult of tides and raise the flag for the Filipino nation. Despite the daunting challenges brought about by the pandemic last 2020, AMUSUP selflessly continued to champion and protect the health and welfare of our Filipino seafarers by being one of the first to conduct COVID-19 vaccination drives for seafarers and their families. We have also handed COVID-19 relief kits to families confined in their own homes. With the implementation of the Magna Carta of Filipino Seafarers in 2024, we have relentlessly carried out information drives and seminars, striving to protect the rights of our members amidst the dynamic nature of the global maritime industry. In every Filipino seafarer's voyage for a better life, we remain dedicated to help in fulfilling their aspirations. Together, we had proven that we can survive even the roughest seas, as long as we stay resilient and strong as a family. We will remain
Onward in strength, sailing into the future.
Our ship will keep sailing forward, and with every story written, every journey taken, and every dream fulfilled, we remain fervent to serve our Filipino seafarers and their families.
Papasalamat sa AMUSUP sa tulong sa akin, hindi lang sa akin, pati sa aking pamilya, sa mga benefits na maa-avail namin ay laking tulong talaga sa aming mga seafarers.
Salamat po sa AMUSUP kasi nagbibigay kayo ng yung sa health namin, yung sa mga seafarers, sa mga pamilya namin. Malaking tulong talaga yung kapag member ka ng AMUSUP.
Just like a blue sapphire, our service has prevailed with our fortitude. 65 years. Together, we will uphold this withstanding legacy and carry on the voyage of outstanding Filipino seamanship at the seas and beyond. We are AMUSUP. Ikaw, ako, tayo ang AMUSUP. Ang mga Pilipinong mandaragat na nagbibigay ng karangalan hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi pati na rin sa buong mundo. Kayo ang hiyas ng AMUSUP. News updates mula sa bagong proyekto ng Marina at sa Pag-ibig Fund. Sa pagbabalik yan ng Yan ang Marino. This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund. Lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Fun and exciting! Summer fun starts here at SM Supermalls. Run, rally, refresh, and show off your summer style with summer runs, pickleball mania, cold treats, and hot weather fits. Only at your most loved SM malls, your ultimate summer playground. Make every summer day a play day with SM Supermalls.
Delivery! Maria Jose!
Akin yan? Ba't ang laki ng box? Ha? How?
Basta need mo, gagawin ko all. Tulad ng Pag-ibig Fund, multi-purpose loan. Ang loan na pang negosyo, pang tuition, o pang personal needs, and more. Up to 90% ng hulog mo ang pwedeng i-loan. No processing fee na, fast approval pa. Kaya apply na for MPL.
Via virtual pag-ibig.
Pag-ibig Fund, solid ka band.
The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings. And as the premier maritime academy in the country, be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit. Dahil AMUSUP cares. This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Naglabas ng 3-month extension ang Maritime Industry Authority sa bisa ng mga Certificate of Competency at Certificate of Proficiency ng mga tripulanteng apektado ng kaguluhan sa Middle East. Epektibo ang extension para sa mga tripulanteng na-expire or ma-expire ang certificates bago o sa mismong araw ng June 30, 2026, habang sila ay nakasakay sa barko na naglalayag sa apektadong lugar ng krisis at kung saan hindi masusunod ang nakatakdang araw ng kanilang disembarkation. Maaring i-download ang digital certificate sa Marina Integrated Seafarers Management Online System kung saan makikita ang nasabing 3-month extension. Para sa pagsasakatuparan nito, pinapaalalahanan ng Marina ang shipping companies, ship owners, at manning agencies na magsumite ng documentation patunay na hindi makabababa ng barko ang tripulante dahil sa mainit na sitwasyon sa Middle East. Isang paalala mula dito sa Yan ang Marino. Kinilala bilang Woman of Power si Pag-ibig Fund Chief Executive Officer Marilen C. Acosta ng Philippine Daily Inquirer para sa kanyang kamangha-manghang 4 na dekadang serbisyo kasama ang Pag-ibig Fund. Nagsimula ang kanyang karera sa Pag-ibig Fund sa mababang posisyon hanggang sa itinalaga na siya ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa katungkulan bilang Chief Executive Officer kung saan patuloy na nakapagtala ng record-breaking milestones ang ahensya sa ilalim ng kanyang pamamalakad tulad na lamang ng mga tala sa nagdaang Chairman's Report. Ayon kay Chief Executive Marilen Acosta, ang karangalang ito ay inaalay niya rin para sa mga kababaihang katulad niya ay patuloy ang dedikadong paglilingkod sa bayan. Congratulations to the Woman of Power, Pag-ibig Fund Chief Executive Marilen C. Acosta mula sa Yan ang Marino. Alinsunod sa direktiba ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na bigyan ng sapat at napapanahong tulong ang overseas Filipino workers na naipit sa tensyon sa Middle East. Inanunsyo ni Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development Secretary Jose Ramon Aliling na aprobado na ang Special Pag-ibig Fund Benefits Package para sa mga repatriated OFWs kung saan maari nilang magamit ang kanilang savings at papayagan silang hindi na muna maghulog ng bayad sa kanilang housing loans. Bahagi ng aprobadong benefit package, maaring i-withdraw ng qualified OFW members ang kabuuan ng kanilang Pag-ibig regular savings kasama na ang kanilang employee share, employer share, at dividends earned bago pa man ang 20-year maturity nito. Maaari ring i-withdraw ang kanilang MP2 savings kasama na ang naipon nitong returns bago pa man ang 5-year maturity nito. Binibigyan din sila ng pagkakataong ma-avail ang 3-month moratorium sa Pag-ibig housing loan payments kung saan hindi ito papatungan ng interes at penalties. At ma-extend din ng 3 buwan ang loan term. Simula February 2026, umabot na sa 891,427 ang registered OFW members mula sa Middle East, kung saan 86,234 nito ay MP2 savers at 40,024 naman ay housing loan borrowers mula sa Saudi Arabia, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates at Kuwait. Kaya naman minabuti ng Pag-ibig Fund na agarang makapagbigay ng assistance na maagap, accessible at responsive sa pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan. Yan ang Pag-ibig Fund, isang pag-ibig na susi sa bagong bukas. This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Fun and exciting! Summer fun starts here at SM Supermalls. Run, rally, refresh, and show off your summer style with summer runs, pickleball mania, cold treats, and hot weather fits. Only at your most loved SM malls, your ultimate summer playground. Make every summer day a play day with SM Super Malls.
Delivery! Maria Jose!
Akin yan? Ba't ang laki ng box? Ha? How?
Basta need mo, gagawin ko all. Tulad ng Pag-ibig Fund, Multipurpose Loan. Ang loan na pang negosyo, pang tuition, o pang personal needs, and more. Up to 90% na hulog mo ang pwedeng i-loan. No processing fee na, fast approval pa. Kaya apply na for MPL.
Via virtual pag-ibig!
Pag-ibig Fund, solid ka band.
The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings. And as the premier maritime academy in the country, be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit. Dahil AMOSUP cares. This portion is brought to you by SM Super Malls. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso.
Mga kamarino, marami tayong natalakay kanina ha? At para lang po yan sa inyo. Kaya sana may natutunan din kayong impormasyon na magagamit para sa inyong buhay ng pagmamarino.
That's very true, Admiral. Heartwarming and inspirational ang ating hatid sa inyo every Saturday. Kaya wag ho kayo talagang mawawala at bawal mag-absent. Dahil kung mag-absent kayo, marami ho kayong mamimiss. Pero just in case na talagang absent, di ba? Kasi subalit meron silang mga ganito-ganyan at ngunit may ganyan at datapwat,
At hindi
ganyan.
nagising. At hindi nagising.
Hindi. Di ba? Kung sakali man hindi kayo nakatutok sa amin, okay lang yan. Dahil mababalik-balikan tayo saan?
Doon po sa YouTube channel
Yan.
ko. hindi channel ko. MY channel.
MY. My channel. MY channel. Ayan. Mapapanood nila yung sarili nila.
Correct.
Ano pa?
At siyempre, kailangan i-like at i-follow rin ang ating Facebook page na Yan ang Marino para lang makuha ninyo yung ating mga update tungkol sa mga pangyayari dito sa Kamarinuhan.
Yan, Kamarino. Mundo ng Marino, di ba? Pag talagang English, si Admiral, very good eh. Pag Tagalog, medyo a little sablay. Di ba? But okay lang yan, ha? Lahat naman tayo ay magiging masaya lamang ngayong weekend na to. Happy weekend po sa inyong lahat. But for now,
Anchors away.
bye everyone.
Bye-bye.